Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw Shinchan. Shinchan is a funny and playful little toy from a popular cartoon. He is 5 years old and always gets into silly adventure. Shinchan loves to make people laugh with his funny action and jokes. He lives with his family, including his mom, dad, and little sister. Shinchan also has many friends and a cute pet dog named Shiro. He likes to play games, go to school, and explore new things. Kids and toddlers love watching Shinchan because he is very entertaining and always makes them smile. The show teaches about family, friendship, and having fun while being curious and adventurous. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.